In this video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at setting up cashier interrupt alongside cashier assignment on the SRC range of Casio cash registers. So there's a basic cashier function on the machine which allows you to force cashiers to log in to process a transaction, but what's not available on the machine as standard is programming it so that the cashiers going to interrupt each other, so that I can process a sale on the till, wander off and pour 4 pints of Guinness, for example, and then operator 2 can log in, interrupt my sale, and then process their own sale without affecting mine, so I can then come back, re-interrupt them and finish my sale. Now this is normally something that you wouldn't program yourself. You'd have this programmed by your cash register dealer, but obviously with the advent of the internet there's a lot of tills out there that aren't pre-programmed and aren't supported. So I should warn you to watch this video all the way through first of all, rather than trying to follow it as I go along, and then make sure that you're happy that you want this set up on the machine and that you're happy that you can do it yourself. If not, you can contact a dealer and ask them to set it up for you. So there's 2 steps to the process. Well, in fact there's 3 actually. The first one is to make sure that you haven't set up the basic cashier assignment function on the register, which is under PGM, general setting, enable clerk. That should be set to no. If it's not, make sure that it is. This one is set to no, so I can just press cash, subtotal, and then I'm back at the main PGM menu. So now I can actually look at setting up the cashier assignment function and cashier interrupt at the same time. So the second step is to go into system setting, free subtotal, then 2722, followed by subtotal, then 1400000000 cash subtotal. So that's step 2 done. We now need to set up a spare function button on the keyboard, which is effectively a hold button for the clerks interrupting each other. So this is a function key, i.e. one of these buttons that you never use. So I'm going to pick the price button because I never use it. You never press this button when it's set up as the hold function, but you need that button to exist for the function to work. So to do this, it's 4 subtotal, then 06, then the spare function button that you're using. I'm using price because I never use it, and then subtotal. I can now turn the key back to reg and have a look at how the system works. So the first thing you'll notice is that you will not be able to process a transaction without signing in. So you sign in, clear the error message, you sign in by typing in the cashier number and then pressing the CLK hash button. This might be slightly different if you've set up secret pins for the cashiers, and in which case you'll have to type in the secret pin and then the CLK hash button. I'll have another video explaining how you do that. But for the moment, this machine is just set up with basic number cashiers. So you type in the number and then the cashier number appears on screen. You can also give the cashier's name, so it appear with their name there and also on the receipt. And again, I've got another video showing you how to do that. Now what you'll notice, if you had the basic cashier assignment system set up previously, you would have been able to get this far and you'd have been able to put sales through, but what you won't have been able to do is to leave a sale half done and then interrupt this sale. So cashier 6 has got a sale open, they've wandered off to pour their pints, and cashier 2 comes to the till wanting to use it. I should now be able to go to CLK hash and process a transaction myself. I can cash that transaction off, or I can leave it open, and operator 6 can come back to the till and finish off their sale, cash their sale off, and I can repeat the process. That button wasn't programmed, so I obviously couldn't enter that one. And the cashiers can keep on interrupting each other. The only thing to bear in mind is there is a limit of the amount of cashiers that you can have open with large sales, because there's a limited buffer on the machine. So you can get away with 3 or 4 clerks having 5 or 6 items open at once, but you couldn't have 10 clerks with 50 lines in each transaction open. But the idea at this level of machine is to give the ability for a couple of people working together to process a sale, go and make the coffees or pour the pints or whatever, and then come back without having stopped anyone else use the register. So if that's for you, you can set that up now. That's basically how you set it up and how it works. I've got, as I said before, I've got other videos showing you how to program the operator names and how to give them secret codes, and then I'll also have a video showing you how to turn this off if it becomes not usable for yourselves. So all those videos will be appearing on the screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.